Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of November. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription service that you can buy monthly. It is $10 a box. It used to come with a thing of yarn and then a mystery item. Then for a while it was coming with 2 things of yarn, and now it looks like they've changed where you only get 1 thing of yarn. So this is what came in my box. Technically, I didn't even get a box. It was a soft package. And on the front of the soft package, it did say Darn Good Yarn, but the problem is I couldn't take a picture of it because a mailing sticker got put on it in postage. So I just went ahead and unboxed it for you guys so you could see it. So this is the yarn that I got. It is really pretty, a mix of like light pinks, magentas, dark, deep purples. It's a very pretty yarn color. It's soft, it's squishy. I love this one, it's beautiful. So silk roving worsted weight in rule of plum. And then you get a card. It's going to tell you about the Yarn of the Month Club. And then on the back, you're going to have your QR code where you can get your November pattern. You can get knitting patterns and crochet patterns for this particular yarn. So again, I wanted to let you guys know, I'm sorry that these videos have become very like quick and not really unboxing because they've been making changes at Darn Good Yarn. I don't know what's going on. As a club member, I really wish they would have sent out an email or have some info on their website, which maybe they do and I just haven't seen it. And maybe they did send an email and I didn't see it, but I have not gotten any information on what changes they're making and why they're making these changes. And it's kind of weird that we went from getting 1 thing of yarn, a mystery item, then we were getting 2 things of yarn for what, like 4 months or so, 3 or 4 months, and then now it's gone down to just 1 thing of yarn, which for the price, again, $10. This thing of yarn, I think it has the total on the back. It usually, yeah, see, so this is $15. So, I mean, you're still paying a really good price for this yarn. Oh, I forgot to mention, on the back of these, it's going to have the knitting needle that you can use and the crochet hook you can use for this particular size of yarn. So, again, you're still getting a really good deal, but it's still, from going to getting 1 thing of yarn plus an item and then going to from 2 things of yarn down to just 1, it's a bad feeling. Like, I would rather have the 2 things of yarn in this color so I can make a bigger project instead of getting just the 1, if you know what I mean. So I did want to let you guys know that they are still making some changes. I'm not getting the boxes like I used to. You used to get really colorful boxes that would just be really cute to open. They are now in soft mailing packages. So yeah, I did want to give you guys all of that info on what's been going on. Again, I don't know exactly what's been going on. This video is not sponsored in any way. I buy this with my own money every month and I unbox it on video with you guys because I think it's fun to do. At the end of the year, I am going to be doing like a review on all of the boxes I got for 2021. So subscribe to stay tuned for that. So that is going to be my November box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.